All right, so here's the deal, right? So the short 04, we want the price to break 92, okay? 92, 93, okay? For the short play, for us to feel comfortable, we need the price to break 92, okay? And then what's going to happen after 92? Well, what's the next support? Well, the next support where most professional traders are going to take 86, where most traders are gonna lock in profits is right here, 86. All right. So remember, we are in a sideways action. Okay. We're gonna short this high right here, 203. Price just went to 204. That's pretty good, right? Just 1 point. We're not gonna add to. We're not gonna add. We're gonna leave it at that. Remember, position size is one of the most important aspects of day trading. All right. So for all the bears, those of us who are short here, right? We need the price to take 92, and then we know 86 is gonna stop it a little bit, and then a clean break of 96, then 76, right? Which is the Globex law. Right? Everybody knows that. But we're gonna do everything in our power to let it ride all the way to 160. That's the bearish play. Okay, so remember, it's not about trading. It's not day trading. It's not about trading, but it's not about day trading. Is not about trading every day, but the right day. All right. So concentrate on this short, and we already know exactly how the price is going to behave on its way. What if the bulls take cover and this thing breaks up? We know it's going to 15, and we know that it's going to be going to 15 and 23 and 230. All right. So our job, all right, on this short is to capture as many points as possible all the way to 160. Right? As long as the bears are in control. So what are we going to do? Well, we want to buy support because we know that we are in a wide canal. What if the price never goes to 92, 86? None of this, therefore not giving us a chance to buy and ride the long position all the way to 30. Well, you know, let's see. Let's see what's going to happen here at the high, right? We know that a clean break is going to take it to 15, 23, and 230. All right, so that's the plan. So what do you think just happened? Right? The smart money took all the weak bears, stop, took it, and it came right back down, right? Us, right? Remember, we're not adding. We're not establishing a position short. We know that we are on a sideways action until I tell you otherwise, or we see the clean break to the upside or to the downside. So as long as the structure, as long as the forecast of our system says that we are in a sideways action, we continue shorting the high, short the high, short the high, but don't add. If you're already short, if you jump the gun and you're short 200, do not short 205. Just you short 200, price went to stop, break even, start trailing, couldn't trail. You took 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 points, or you let it go all the way to break even. Good. Get back in the high. Continue getting back in the high because we already know, right, what the odds are as to how the market is going to move, and it's going sideways this 28 points. That's it. All right. Okay, because we have to reduce our risk. With this volatility, no shenanigans. Simple. So I'm gonna say it again. I gave it to you 5 minutes ago, and look at what happened. Right? Remember, we need, with the bears, those of us who are shorting the high, shorting the high. Right? We need 92 for us to feel comfortable that we are on the right side. Meaning, not the right side because we are on the right side already. Those of us who are shorting the high. Every time there's a new high, weak and novice and traders that have been trading for 4, 5, 6, 7 years only, newbies, they're they're being shaken out. We know how the price is going to behave, and while they're getting shaken, we are the one shaking them out because we're going short the high since 10 minutes to 8 that I told you. This is the way this is going to behave, the price today, right? They're, smart money shakes them out, right? Stop fishing right here, and then we take advantage of shorting the high with one position only, right? Don't add, because we know that a clean break, then we'll be taking a loss because we know that the price is going to continue going to 15. So we're not gonna have a bigger position. That's not gonna happen. All right. All right. So that being said, all right, good. So we are so far we're on the right side. Look at this. Look at this short 205 all the way to 92. That's pretty good. That's 12, 13 points, right? But we're not out of the woods. In other words, there is no follow through until 92 is clean taken. And we know that 86 is going to stop it. We know that. So what do? Well, depending on our position size, we lock in some, stop breaking, start trailing. But remember that here at Capital Trade Center, the difference between us and the rest of the trading world in the world are two. There aren't any trading room in the world where the moderator trades risk the market live real time, right? so that's a big difference. Not one single trading room of the so many gurus out there that do what we do here today, right? And the difference number two is that we do let it ride, okay? All righty then. Of course, look at the 92. Remember I told you 92. The price needs to take 92 for the bears to feel comfortable and not continue this war, this fighting. Look at the 92. Look at the beautiful bounce of 92. And you know that the bulls in control, they're going to go to 15. So the 92 long, this one right here, the 92 long, going all the way to 15, expecting the bulls to finally follow through, take complete control, and we know exactly where the price is going. As long as 92 is not taken, we are expecting the price to go to 15. So we are scalping right now because we also know the entire shape of how the chart is going to look like. All righty? Okay. I'd like to see one of those fake gurus, all of those that sells trading education, reading the market like this. You know what they don't read? You know what they tell you? I gotta say this. You know what they tell you? They say, "Hey, we're not an alert system. If you're looking for an alert for us to tell you where to buy, where the price is going, get the hell out of this room because we're not an alert system." And the reason they say in that way is so that they make you believe, we're not supposed to have him tell us exactly, what the market's gonna do. That's the only way that they can stay in business. This pathetic excuse of traders wannabe. Every time you go to a room and they tell you, we're not an alert system, and they say it with conviction, run the other way. That's the biggest scammer there is. Thank you, Robbie. They're all crap. There is not one single real trading room in the world. Somebody, reading the market to you like we're doing it right now and telling you step by step as it's happening, what's the best thing to do. There aren't any. Not one single trading room in the world. And these people make more money than all of us put together. Scamming. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, look, no clean break, period. Just the taken. Taking the high, bam, recoil. Taking the high, bam, recoil. All right, that's it. Now we have to ask